Hi guys, here we've got a Indesit IDC75 condenser dryer. You've probably seen this before. I replaced the pump on it about 5 years ago, and as you can hear, it is noisy. This noise is only just developed, so I'm gonna have a look at that today. Let me just take you around here. You'll hear the noise a lot more around the back here. So what I'm gonna have to do is have a look at that. What it's inside here where the pump is. So I've disconnected from the mains, and it's just a matter of removing the pump in its housing. There's two clips that hold this on, but they've snapped off. So it's just a matter of lifting the whole unit out, like so. After disconnecting the hoses, as you can see, there's a lot of mess inside here. This looks like grease and bits of lint and fluff around the pump and the float, and that's the float chamber. It looks like bits of oil inside there as well. It's really dirty. Now let me just show you here again, all this gunk around the pump and underneath the float, and that's the float there. When the reservoir fills up, it pushes up like that and the red light comes on, but the reservoir's not full, it's just dirty. So I'm just going to give it a jet blast just to get rid of all this gunk along here. And once that's done, I'm going to leave it to dry out for a couple of days. And here you can see I've got the float chamber nice and clean, nice and cleaner. Okay, a couple of days later, as you can see here, everything's nice and dry. So what I've got to do is put this cover back on. It covers the pump and the micro switch for the float. And I'll just show you there's a little recess for the wires. We'll just zoom in and show you. There's a little recess where the wires go in there. So now that that's in, it's just I'm just going to put some bleach and water in here inside the float chamber, because I'm going to flush the pipes out and the pump, just in case there's anything in there. So just pop the pump back in. Like I said, there's two clips on the top up here, but they've snapped. Wouldn't make any difference anyway. So now that that's done, I'm just going to put this return pipe in, which is the clear pipe, and this is the pump. This is the pipe that pumps up to the expansion tank at the top. So it's just a matter of plugging the unit in, and just a matter of switching it on. And as you can see there, the noise is gone. I'm going to the back here. You can see it's frothing a bit there because I'm actually flushing the system out. That's the flow and return pipe. The grey pipe returns back down to the float chamber, and the black pipe pumps it up to the tank. So what I've done, I've removed the tank, and you can see inside here, I'm just going to pour a bit of bleach and water in there so I can show you. Look inside here. Let me just zoom in. You can see the water being pumped up and flowing back down to the reservoir. I'll just leave that circulate for a bit, and then once I put this reservoir tank back in, it'll catch all of the fluid. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.